Hi, today we are going to see how to make a password box. This is my password box. So let's enter the code 751 and then 9. Enter. What's not opening? Hey, come on, open. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to plug the plug point. So let's plug it to the switchboard. The light is glowing. So first, let's enter the code 7 5 1 9. Enter. So as you can see, it has been opened. So let's see what's inside. So 3, 2, 1. See there. That's a laughing Buddha doll. And what's next? Oh, that's a very beautiful elephant. Circuit diagram. This is the servos. A servo has 3 pins: positive, signal and negative. The signal is in yellow color, the negative is in black color and the positive is in red color. Connect the signal pin of the first servo to Arduino's port 10 and connect the negative pin of the servo to the ground pin of the Arduino Uno, and then connect the positive pin to 5V of the Arduino Uno. 5V means 5 voltage, and this is the power plug of the Arduino, and this is the USB port. And as you can see, this is our keypad lock. This is the enter and this is the reset. When you want to open your password lock, you should every time reset and then give the correct password. After giving the password, you should give enter. If you don't give enter, the password box will not recognize the correct password and the wrong password. These are the pins. This black color is the row pin and this white color is the column pin. So take the first pin of the row and connect it to pin number 9 and connect the second pin to 8, third pin to 7, fourth pin to 6th. Now let's move to the column. Connect the first pin of the column to the 5, second pin of the column to the 4, third pin of the column to 3 and the fourth pin of the column to 2. So at last, as you all know, we are in the coding part. So I have declared all the global declaration statement, and this is the password 7519, and I have declared that rows are 4 and columns are 4. And the structure of the keypad lock. These are the numbers where I have connected the lock. These are the row pin and these are the column pins. This is the segment to begin the servo. The servo is connected to pin number 11. And this So at last, as you all know, we are in the coding part. So I have declared all the global declaration statement, and this is the password 7519, and I have declared that rows are 4 and columns are 4. And the structure of the keypad lock. These are the numbers where I have connected the lock. These are the row pin and these are the column pins. This is the segment to begin the servo. The servo is connected to pin number 11. And this is the case where it would check the password. If star is entered, the device will check the password, and if hash is entered, it will reset the password, means delete the password. And if the password is correct, the servo will rotate to 90 degrees. And if the password is wrong, the servo will rotate to 180 degrees. That's all for this video.